Hello, so now I'm going to look at a smaller trade, and this was just 187. Also taken on the 12th, so it's a series of 4 trades that I took on the 12th. This is the smallest, but it's a pretty decent size, 10 MES contracts. So kept it for 41 minutes, and if I kept it longer, I would have made 775. If I kept it shorter, I would have lost 525. So I'll just show you what that looks like at down here. So it's in loss for about 500 ish, and then I started hovering at the top. At one point I was 662, and then I kind of closed it before I would hop into the break-even territory. So took it here as a breakout trade, thinking like, yeah, it kind of but then actually bounced up, bounced down, and I kind of closed it here. So instead of closing it down here, so I would categorize this as a breakout trade because I kind of took it as a retest though, because it was like a break retest, but it failed to break down further. So that's the mechanics. Now let's try. I want to just see the 1 hour time frame as well. So yeah, took it at a healthy top, and yeah, anything over here is actually a good point to take it in. I was just too scared to lose anything on the 5-minute time frame, so I closed it, because if this would have spiked up, that would be a big loss too. So anything close to this, let me zoom in, anything close to this zone, this is known as the area value. If you take it in the zone, there's a high chance that you'll be okay. As soon as you take it here, you start losing value, meaning it gets more risky. If you take it here, big loss. But if you take it somewhere over here, even if it doesn't stay there, if it touches, that's a good point to take it. That's something I'm kind of figuring out. So I'll put this as a breakout. So set up, breakout down, direction would be short. This would be a retest. And did it actually be, what's this, like an opening range breakout? No, it happened around 9. What's this, like a, what kind of breakout was this? It was a nothing. Now I took it greater than 5. So on the 5-minute, let's go breakout greater than 5. On the 1 hour, let's go breakout. I took that. Even though it's at the 5, let me just zoom in. I want to just make sure I clearly get it. So it wasn't the 10, it was greater than 5. Okay, the next I'm going to look at is the crossovers. So this is the middle of the crossover, and this is also a fresh so this would be entry, breakout, and bear, fresh, and my exit would be